Work. Woo-wee. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy, Brandon. Welcome back to the channel. And guess what? We have an incredible photo shoot today. So we are out here on this farm way out in Chesapeake. And this thing is absolutely insane, man. And I had this idea of doing something a little bit different. So reached out to my model, Talia, and we are out here. We're going to get some amazing shots for you guys today. Hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, man. Today I'm using the 105, also with my 51.2. We got the A7R5, but check out this setup right quick. I have figured out how to actually wirelessly transmit the signal of my photos and what you see on here to the Atomos that's set up way over there. So you're gonna see me holding this, but I'm also today using the Insta360 X4 to get some more BTS. So I can literally get 3 different views with this setup. I can have my X4 looking at me, looking at anything around me, and I can also record what's actually also on my sensor. So today I get to try out this setup. If you guys are interested in this setup and how to do this, make sure you comment below in this video, all right? We're gonna go ahead and get to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next photo walk is coming up. You don't wanna miss this. You don't wanna miss it. Good. Let me adjust some stuff real quick. Ooh. Let's see what we got. You know what that is? That's that auto white balance. Let me get that one more time. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, perfect. All right. All right, we ready to rock. You good? All right, so this is real. I'm not playing. We ain't playing today, dog. All right, I'm gonna take this shot again. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, ooh, that's it. That's it, we are rocking. You can put your leg back up there. I wanna get those shots now. So bring that leg in a little bit to you. Yep, perfect, just like that. All right, here we go. Bam. All right, 3, 2, 1. Gorgeous. Work. All right, work. 3, 2, 1. Nice. I like that. Straight down, just like that. Nice and mean. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Love that. Take your head and look this way towards the light. Yep. You can have. So grab your hat just like you just. Other hand. Yep. Put your elbow back up there like you just had it. Yep. Now turn your head away. Yeah, looking up. Yeah, there you go. I just want to get a little light under that hat. 3, 2, 1. Hold that. Turn the head some more now. Keep that hand right there. Yes, there you go. Bring your chin up a little bit. Beautiful. That's it right there. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, fire. Work, work, work. I love it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was it right there. Right, I want you to make sure you got that tail right there too. I want that in the shot real quick. Good. Work. 3, 2, and 1. Beauty. 3, 2. Up. Bring it in. I'm cutting it off. Yep. All the way to your shoulder. Yep. There you go. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That is crazy. That should be illegal. All right. That's perfect. All right. Here we go. Good. 3. So I'm cutting that hand off. Yep. You gotta bring it in. That hand's good. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Gorge, gorge. Beauty. 3, 2, 1. Boom. So like this one or like this one, and I want you to come over and come back. Gorge. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right. Make yourself smaller now. Come on. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Woo-hoo-wee! All right. Cool beans. We're gonna go on the other side now. All right, that looks absolutely insane, but I think I need to add a second light real quick. Let me see here, right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, chin back up, there you go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
I gotta be having on a hat. Oh shit, looks like I got fire behind me. What is that?
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a second light real quick behind Talia, just to separate her from the background just a little bit. So I got my 300 here. It's gonna be easy. Just gonna throw a little light at her back. Yeah, what's up with you and that cat, dog? I see you. You ain't slick. Alright, let's see here. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, close up real quick. Here we go. Good, beauty. 3, 2, 1. Good, good, good. Give me more. There you go, perfect. Look back in the light. Good, 3, 2, 1. Good. Smiles, a little bit of more. Yeah, there you go. A little bit more smirk. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good. Love it. Love it. Yahoo. 3, 2, 1. I might not be able to see your face. Yep, you gotta bring that up. Good. 3, 2, 1. One more. One more. 3, 2, and 1. Ah, there it is.
Oh. Okay.
All right. All right. Yep, I like that forward. Keep that right quick. Get it. Here we go. As soon as I can focus. Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Work. Woo-wee. Come back this way.
Come this way?
Yep, a little bit more. Right there. Stop, stop, stop.
Right here?
Right there. Yeah, right before that crack. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there it is. All right, here we go. Gorgeous. 3, 2, 1. Gorge, 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 gorge. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Hey. Come on. Hey. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I love that. I like that darkness. 3, 2, 1. Man, that's dramatic as on the what? Hold on. So it's giving me, like I'm only shooting at like 132 power, but I have my shutter speed at 640 because I want it nice and dark and I just want her to be lit. So that's why I'm shooting it like that. All right, here we go. Beautiful, I love that. Beauty, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, oh, I gotta come this way now. You never know what kind of shot you get unless you actually move around with it. Some shots you might not even recognize, man, and you move side to side, angle to angle. One thing about shooting, you just cannot shoot from the same spot every time. You gotta move side to side because your composition is gonna look totally different. I would have never seen this if I didn't move over here. See, now I love this right here. I'm getting a depth of field behind her. I'm getting all these tractors. This is making for really good leading lines right now. It's crazy. All right, here we go. Now let's see if the picture can come out good. Don't mean nothing. You did all that talking, man. That shit garbage. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right, so you got to come up. You got to stand up. Hands in the middle. Perfect. Beautiful. Dope. This. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, see? I knew it. 3, 2, 1. Good. Hand on your head real quick. Right over here. Gorge. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I got everything right here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Bend it a little bit. I'm cutting it off. Yeah, right there. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, T. 3, 2, 1. Ah-ha! 3, 2, 1. Yo. See, now what I'm doing is I'm incorporating a little bit of that sky. And she's getting this fall off on the left side of her face. And it's just making for an exceptional type shot, dude. Gorge. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Lord, mercy. 3, 2, 1. Nice, you got to lean up now. Lean up. Yep, there we go, perfect. Boom, 3, 2, 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Good. Last shot. Last shot right here. Perfect. Beauty, beauty. Work. I like that. Lean towards the light. Put that elbow back. That was perfect. Yep. Now lean towards. Keep that elbow up there. Yeah. Now you lean towards me, cause I'm looking at your thing. Yeah. Perfect. Right there. Good. Keep. Yes. There you go. That one. 3, 2, 1. Good. One more. And 3, 2, and 1. Ah, that's on fire. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna do that track and we're gonna be done. Last one. Exactly. Yeah, okay. Nice, I love it. That's dope. 3, 2, 1. You good. I want you to lean your body over a little bit like, yes, head that way. Perfect. Yep. Good. 3. Put that hand down on your leg. Yep, perfect. Yep. Turn your head more. Keep right there. 3, 2, 1. Stay right there, sir. Look at that red ladder. There you go. Good, that's the profile. 3, 2, 1. Oh, boy. Good. 3, 2, and 1. One more. Stay right there. 3, 2, 1. One more. God damn it. Oh. Hey, let's do some more. Come, lean. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Lovely. 3, 2, 1. Word. Oh, put that back up. Put that back up. Good. Stay right there. Now take your head and lean, look that way. No, don't cock your head. Just turn it. Turn straight. Yeah, there you go. Good. 3, 2, 1. Chin up. Good. Fire, fire, fire. 3, 2. Oh, let me come back. It's all about composition, making sure framing is good, making sure your model is all in the frame. Even if they have hips and everything, you don't want to cut anything off and have to do anything post-process. So it's just better that you get it right in camera. And the good thing about the A7R5 is that I got this little screen right here, so I can flip it and drip it and do whatever I need to do to make sure my composition is right. Oh, look at that. All right, I'm gonna get more of the tractor in the focus now in the frame. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Yes, right there. 3, 2, 1. Good. Last one on the tractor. Gorge. 3, 2, and 1. Like that. Oh, let me get one more. Hold on. There we go. See, this is why I love the screen this much. Oh, here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, come down. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, please let this be first shot. Nope, definitely not first shot. Nope, 320, perfect. 320 it is. All right, here we go. All right, beautiful, here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Can you see that back there? Oh no, you can, but bro, oh my goodness. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Bro, my gosh. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna get more of this trailer. I said trailer tractor. In the shot. Beauty. Right here. Good. Like that. Chin up. Nice and strong. Fierce. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bring. Where's your tail at? Okay, I can see it. No, drop it. Gorge. Love it. No, put them hands back up there. Let me get that. Yep. Nice. Just like that. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, word. Beauty. Good. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Well, I love that. Yep.